Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. You will be able to earn money online in 3 simple steps by clicking a few buttons. I know you're skeptical, but I recently found a very easy way to earn money online, and in today's video I'll show you how you can do it without investing anything. Don't worry, you won't have to invest anything in this. You won't need any experience either, so you won't need to shell out your hard-earned money to do it. Newbies are very welcome to try this because I've simplified this video for everyone so that all of you my viewers will be able to earn money from this. All you need to do on this method is click and watch ads. Yes, that's right, just click and play the ad and you'll be able to earn money again. This will be very simple since I have divided the whole process into 3 simple steps you can follow very easily. All you have to do is click the play button on the advertisement and you'll be paid. If you don't get it the first time, just watch it again. If you don't have enough time, the videos can always be bookmarked or added to a YouTube playlist, so you can watch them later on if you have the time, but I can assure you this brand new strategy is simple to follow, so keep on watching. This is Top 4 Earn. Welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. You can also leave comments below if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions. Let's get started now. Okay, let's go directly to the website where we'll be able to earn money. You can see here the website which I'm talking about. This is where you can watch video ads and earn money right away. They'll be paying you right away, so you don't need to wait for days to get your earnings. They also accept everyone from around the globe, and they also accept you even if you don't have any experience from doing online work. I'm telling you, this is perfect for you. All you need to do here is click play, then watch a video ad for a few seconds, and boom, you earn money again. Click play, watch a video out for a few seconds, and boom, another payment made into your account. That's really easy, right? And I'll show you later on how to do it, so you better not skip some parts of this video. Just a quick overview of what I'm about to show you today. I'll be introducing you to 3 new websites which I've never talked about in my videos, and I'll show you a live demonstration on how to use these 3 websites so that you'll be able to earn money from them. I've made the steps very easy so that you'll not have a hard time following through the whole process. Now you need to avoid making any mistakes on these websites because there's a high chance that you'll not be able to withdraw your money from them and your earnings will be locked on their website. That's something I really want you to avoid, and it's something you can always avoid if you follow through this video and watch it all the way until the end. I hope we're clear on that one. I want you to earn, that's why I'm creating these videos. Okay, going back to the first website, you can see here that you're able to earn real money from your favorite brands. It's actually pretty simple. Number 1 is to watch a video. They'll be sending you a text whenever a video is available for you to watch. I think that's a great thing since you don't need to be on their website all the time. Just wait for the text and then that's the time you watch videos. The next thing is for you to wait to get rewarded. You can see right here that they'll be paying you somewhere from 50 cents to $3 per video that you watch. So if you watch 5 videos, that's an automatic 15 on your account. Watch 10 videos, you earn $30. That's pretty easy, right? Another thing I like about this website is that you can also earn money from referrals. You can see here that they'll give you an extra $1 for every person that you refer on this website. I'm sure you have a lot of friends that'll be interested in this website. Lastly, you can download offers from your favorite brands. I'll explain later on how to download offers from your favorite brands. That's why I highly urge you to finish this video all the way until the end, and as always I'll be showing you later on some exclusive bonus tips that'll be of great help to you so that you'll be able to earn more compared to others who don't watch my videos. Going back to the website, there's one downside to it, but it's not something very big. You can see here that their cash out is $10. That's quite a big amount, but you won't actually be able to notice it once you start earning from this website. The upside to that is that they pay in real cash, not points or chips or anything whatsoever. What I like about this website is that they also let you choose how you want to get paid. If you want to get paid with real cash, you can simply cash it out through PayPal. If you don't want that option, you can also get your earnings through gift cards, or if you feel like being generous and you want to pay it forward, you can also donate your earnings. They don't actually require a lot of things from you to sign up. All you need is an active email address and an active phone number. You also need to be at least 13 years old to be able to sign up. If you want to read more about this website, you can simply read more about them on their frequently asked questions page. You can simply go to the website of AdWallet and sign up for a free account. If you are ready to earn money from this app, simply download it on the Google Play Store. Make sure you download the correct app so that you won't have any problems later on. I still have 2 other apps which I want to show you on this video. That's why you really need to watch this video all the way through so that you'll know the other apps. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, let's now proceed with the next app. It's this one called Bucks Inside. This is where you get paid every 10 seconds. That's really amazing. Right on this website you'll get paid just for browsing their advertisers' websites, and you can cash out instantly. The best thing about this website is that they have a low cash out threshold. You can cash out your earnings at $2. That's lower compared to the first website. When you scroll down on this website, you'll be able to see some of the payment methods that they have. I personally choose PayPal since it's widely available everywhere, but if you like to cash out on other methods, that's fine as well. You can even cash out with cryptocurrency. So if you're into cryptocurrency, this is a website you really need to try. When you come over to this website, you'll be able to see some ads, and here's the tip: you'll actually be able to earn money from these ads. Simply click on any ad and then stay on the ads website for a few seconds, and then Bucks Inside will pay you. You don't need to do anything on the website, simply stay on it for a few seconds and boom, you'll get paid. You can actually do this again and again since they'll be showing you various ads on their website. Simply click on the ad, stay on the website for a few seconds and boom, you get paid. That's amazing. Right, once you're done with the ads on their homepage, simply hit refresh and then they'll show you another set of ads. Click on the ad and then you'll get paid. It's that simple. Just take note that if you don't stay for a few seconds, you will not get paid because it'll reflect on their system. Here's a tip: I usually stay on the website for 20 to 30 seconds to really make sure that my visit to the website will reflect on their system. Again, you don't need to do anything, you don't need to click on anything, simply stay on the website for 20 to 30 seconds and then wait for your earnings to come. That's very easy to remember. Right, to start earning from this website, you first need an account. Don't worry, because you can create an account on this website for absolutely free. All you need to do is click on this button right here and then you'll be redirected to this page where you need to input some details. Make sure all your details are correct so that you'll be able to proceed with the sign up process. I would suggest that you use all the websites that I've shown you on this video, because if you combine using all the websites, you'll actually be able to earn more money. 3 income sources are better than 1. That's why I'd recommend that you try using all the websites that I've mentioned. Not a lot of people know about these websites. That's why you're really lucky to have clicked on this video today. Before you click off this video, I still have one last website that I want to show you. It's somehow similar to the previous websites, but the earnings you'll get from this last website is different. But just like the 2 websites, you'll be able to earn money from it simply by watching ads. Okay, for the last website, this is similar to the previous websites where you can earn money from doing online activities. You can watch video ads and then earn cash from doing it. Now you only need 3 things on this website. First, you need to create an account for absolutely free. Then you need to watch some video ads, or if you like to do some tasks or surveys, you can also do that. And lastly, withdraw your money. That's all you need to do. Very simple. Right over here you can see some of the people who've earned money from this website. When you scroll down on this list, you'll see that they've paid a lot of people so far. That means this website is legit, because a lot of people are earning from it. You can see that the earnings are not a lot, but if you combine it with the other 2 websites, you learn somewhere between $20 to $30, and that's a lot of money, knowing that you didn't do a lot of things to earn that amount. Going back to their homepage, you can see here other things you can do on this website. You can fill in surveys, do tasks, join contests, redeem offers, and you can even refer people on this website and they will pay you per referral. You can always choose what you want to do on this website. It's all up to you, but if you don't want to do a lot of things, you can simply watch video ads and earn money. Okay, to start earning from this website, simply create an account which is free. To sign up, all you need to do is go back to the home page and then click on the sign up button right here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you need to provide the correct details. Another tip I want to share with you is that you need to provide your updated email, since they'll be sending from time to time some exclusive offers which you don't want to miss out. To finish with the sign up process, simply click on this register button right here, and then you can now start earning money from this website. Again, I would highly suggest that you use all the websites that I've mentioned in this video so that you'll be able to fully maximize the earning potential of these websites. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give the channel a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.